Here's a story that sounds like it came from a sci-fi movie, but it's absolutely real. Isomorphic Labs, a spin-off of Alphabet, Google's parent company, is using AI not just to assist in medicine, but to design drugs from scratch, and it's about to enter human trials for the first time. This AI uses deep learning to understand how diseases work on a molecular level, and then rapidly creates drug candidates, a process that would take years traditionally. The first two drugs are targeting infections and immune disorders. So how does this change anything for us, really? It has the potential to slash drug development timelines, bring down costs, and open the door to personalized precision medicine. Imagine treatments created just for your biology, not a one-size-fits-all pill. For conditions like cancer, rare genetic disorders, and autoimmune diseases, this could be a game changer. But there's a catch. It raises questions. Who regulates this AI? Will these drugs be affordable? And how do we ensure it's safe? We're standing at the edge of a medical revolution, but whether it becomes accessible or just another corporate asset remains to be seen.